Hey, you're watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Ace from Power Birds. I'm really excited, I hope you guys are. But before we get into the supplies, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Awesome, great. Well, a few supplies that we'll need, as always, includes a blank piece of paper, a black Sharpie, a bright green, a navy blue, a dark yellow, a bright yellow, a tan color, and lastly you're going to need a dark green. Well, I'm really excited. I hope you guys are. Let's go try to draw Ace the bird and see what we can come up with. For the first step of making this character, we're going to make his collar. We're going to make a little hill on the left side. Once we finish that step, we're going to underline his collar. By that hill that we made a few seconds ago, we're going to make an L-like shape. So on the right side of the body, we're going to make a curved line. This will be Ace's torso. Once we finish making that line, we're going to make his utility belt. Now we're going to hop back over to the right side, where we're going to finish his right arm. Once we finish that really cool, awesome right arm, we're going to move back up top, where we're going to make the outline for his head. So we're going to bring this down all the way to the right side of the collar. On the inside of the page, we're going to make his beak. We're going to move into the inside of his chest, where we're going to add detail. We're going to finish his left glove. We're going to move back up top, where we'll add his eyes and his eyebrows, and then we're going to add an outline around his beak and his eyes. The last step will be to make his legs and his shoes. We're going to add a cape to the left side of his left leg. This is how to draw Ace from Power Birds. Thank you for watching. Learn how to draw Hub. And now color him in with us.